Greetings, savvy tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the world of tech and gadgets. I'm your host, and today we're exploring the HaloFox compatible toner cartridge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest tech reviews. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this toner cartridge. First things first, let's talk compatibility. The HaloFox compatible toner cartridge is designed to be a seamless replacement for the Brother TN660 and TN630 cartridges. This means it's compatible with a wide range of Brother printers. We're talking about models like the HLL2300D, HLL2305W, HLL2315DW, and many more. If you own one of these Brother printers, this toner cartridge might just be your new best friend. Now, let's get into the numbers. This toner cartridge means business when it comes to page yield. You can expect to print up to a whopping 2,600 pages with a single TN660 toner cartridge, and that's with 5% coverage on A4 paper. Whether you're handling extensive reports or a series of important documents, this toner cartridge has the stamina to keep up. Let's unbox this package. When you get your hands on the HaloFox compatible toner cartridge, you'll find two essential items inside. First, a user guide that provides clear instructions on installation and usage. Second, the stars of the show, two TN660 black toner cartridges, both high yield to keep your printing needs covered for longer. Now, let's talk about the most crucial aspect, print quality. The HaloFox compatible toner cartridge doesn't compromise on quality. You can expect clear, crisp text that rivals the output of the original cartridges. Say goodbye to faded or streaky prints. This cartridge is all about bringing you professional-grade text quality. One of the standout features of this toner cartridge is its cost efficiency. It provides top-notch printing results while saving you a significant amount compared to using original cartridges. That's more money in your pocket without sacrificing quality. To wrap things up, the HaloFox compatible toner cartridge is a reliable and cost-effective option for those with Brother printers. Its compatibility with a range of Brother models, impressive page yield, and quality print output make it a fantastic choice for both personal and professional printing needs. Have you tried this toner cartridge before? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more tech reviews, insights, and product explorations. I'm your host signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy printing!